Yo, you alright?
Where are we going?
We are going on a helicopter and I'm shitting it.
Your love was made for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. I push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something wrong. I'm in love with your body.
Chasing all the dreams for the rest of my life, pretending to achieve when nothing ever works right. I want to understand how all the things that you do are making up the picture like you really thought you ought to do. Remember all the games we used to go and play, shouting out loud at everything you would say. All the conversations I remember we had, it always ended up with us emotionally feeling. But I wish I could throw away the broken pieces, and I don't know if I can make it alone. I said, come on, you know you want it this way. I said, please don't just take this away. I said, let go till the end of the day. How does it feel when nobody knows the truth? Taking all the time to look around and have fun. Could you tell me what it would be like if it hadn't begun? Miming to the people about you and I, telling everyone that there's no need to leave or say goodbye. I wish I could throw away the broken pieces, and I don't know if I can make it alone. I said, come on, you know you want it this way. I said, please don't just take this away. I said, let go till the end of the day. How does it feel when nobody knows the truth? Come on, please don't wait. I said, come on, you know you want it this way. 'Cause I know you've been playing games. How does it feel when you know the truth?
We're about to get on the helicopter.
I don't know, me and you should go. We should never have said so. Should I ask why? Maybe just wait, let me contemplate. I said, come on, you know you want it this way. I said, please don't just take this away. I said, let go till the end of the day. How does it feel when you know? I said, come on, you know you want it this way. I said, please don't just take this away. I said, let go till the end of the day. How does it feel when nobody knows the truth? Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart, moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls, now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner, off the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay. I played a Blink-182 song that we beat the bit into song. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the sea in a broke down car. 4 years no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner, off the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was so much fun. So we're on our way back now. And yeah, you got to sit in the front, didn't you?
Yeah.
We saw some footage of. It's good fun.
Did you find it too high?
It wasn't that
Was
high,
it okay?
It was alright.
Yeah.
It's fine.
People are gonna see our
Yeah.
videos. See?
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner, off the mattress that you stole from your